as we are discussing about the examples of the circular motion. In the last one we have done the car was moving on the level circular road. The next one is the car is moving on the banked circular road. Car is moving on the banked circular road. What is the meaning of the banking? As you know, all around us the new roads are developed in the Punjab. You can see whenever you are going to negotiate a curved road, in that case you are going to feel like this. The inner edge of the road is at lower angle, or you can say that depressed as compared to the outer edge, or you can say that the outer edge is raised with respect to the inner edge, and this is called the banking. This is called the banking of the road. What is the meaning of banking? Whenever the inner edge, or you can say that outer edge of the road is raised by the particular angle with respect to the inner edge around the circular curve. Okay, in that case that is called the banking. Why there is the need for the banking? Banking is done to safely negotiate the curved road. Okay. Next one is the, now we have to calculate the speed of the car that is going to move on the banked circular road, and the first case is the, we are going to neglect friction. By neglecting friction, under this article we are going to consider the two cases. In one case we will consider the friction, and in the second case we are going to neglect the friction. Now first case we are going to consider, that is the neglecting friction. Now let us suppose this is the road, curved road, and this one is the banked one. I am showing here the angle. Let us suppose this is the angle, banking angle theta, and here car is going. This block is representing the car. Now we are going to find the different forces those are acting on this car. Now let us suppose at this point the normal reaction R is acting at an angle theta and weight is acting vertically downward. What does it mean? Means this is the horizontal surface. This is horizontal surface. If I am going to bank like this, then the vertical direction is going to align in the particular direction. Means if you are saying that the weight of the object is acting vertically downward, reaction is upward. Okay. Now you are going to raise the outer edge with respect to the inner edge, like this. Outer edge is going to be raised. In that case, this reaction, normal reaction R, is making an angle theta with the vertical direction. So I am going to represent here. The R is making an angle theta with the vertical. Now resolve the R into components. Here will be the R cos theta, and along the horizontal here is the R sin theta. Okay. Now again we are going to consider, in this case there is no motion in the vertical direction. If in the vertical direction there is no motion, means there is the net force in the vertical direction, that is 0. It means R cos theta, that will be equal to mg, equation number 1, because in the vertical direction there is no motion. After that, R sin theta is acting toward the center of the rod. रोड के सेंटर की ओर आपका कौन सा जो कंपोनेंट एक्ट हो रहा है, दैट इज आर साइन थीटा. सो दिस आर साइन थीटा इज एक्टिंग एज द सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स, और यू कैन राइट फ्रॉम हियर एफ सी इज इक्वल टू आर साइन थीटा, और आर साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू एम वी स्क्वायर बाय आर. नेम इट इक्वेशन नंबर 2. नाउ डिवाइड इक्वेशन नंबर 2 बाय इक्वेशन 1. You will get equation 2 divided by equation 1. In that case you are going to get r sin theta upon r cos theta, that is equal to m g upon m v square by r upon mg. M goes with m from here, r goes with r, tan theta, that is b square upon rg. B square will be equal to rg tan theta. So b is equal to the bent circular road, in that case the same speed is given by this relation. V is equal to under root rg tan theta. Clear? Now next we are going to consider the friction, taking into account friction. Second case is the taking into account friction, means अब हम friction को भी साथ में लेके चलते हैं. In that case, what will be the changes? Now at this point there is the frictional force. Frictional force, let us suppose I am going to represent it by the F. This frictional force F is acting toward the center. Then let us suppose it is making angle theta with the particular this curve, or you can bend road. Now you can resolve F into components. What will be the component? One will be the F cos theta and vertical component will be F sin theta. Vertical component will be F sin theta. Similarly, these will be remain same. R cos theta, R is resolved into components, R cos theta and R sin theta. R cos theta is acting vertically upward and R sin theta is acting toward the center of this road. Now there is a no motion in the vertical direction. What does it mean? Now here one component is going to be increased. R cos theta is acting vertically upward, and in the downward direction there are the two forces. One is the mg and the second one is the F sin theta. So from here I am writing R cos theta plus F sin theta. From here you can calculate the value of mg. Mg will be equal to R cos theta minus of F sin theta. Name it equation number 1. Now next one is the, what about the centripetal force? What about the centripetal force? Now the centripetal force is the force that is acting toward the center of the circular road. Now towards this circular road there is the R sin theta, one component. Second is one is the F cos theta. Both are acting toward the center. So from here the net force that is acting toward the center of the road, that is the R sin theta plus F cos theta. R sin theta plus F cos theta, that is equal to mv square by R. Why I am writing here mv square by R? Because this total force is acting as the centripetal force. This total force is acting as the centripetal force. That's why I am going to equate it with the relation of the centripetal force. Name it equation number 2. Now divide second equation by the first equation. 2 divided by 1. What you will get from here? mv square by R upon mg, that is equal to R sin theta plus F cos theta divided by R cos theta minus F sin theta. Okay. Now m goes with n. Here is the b square upon rg, that is. Now from the numerator as well as denominator take common, that is the cos theta and r. R cos theta. You will get from here sin theta by cos theta plus F by R divided by R cos theta 1 minus F by R sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. Now R cos theta goes with R cos theta. B square by Rg, that is equal to tan theta plus mu, because F by R is equal to the coefficient of friction, upon 1 minus mu tan theta. From here B square is equal to Rg into tan theta plus mu upon 1 minus mu tan theta. Clear? So this is the expression for the velocity or the speed that is required to negotiate a curved bent circular road by considering into the friction. Now if we are going to neglect the friction here, mu is going to be 0, mu 0 here. Here is 0, again you will get the same result, that is v square is equal to rg tan theta, or from here v will be equal to rg mu plus tan theta upon 1 minus mu tan theta whole raised to power 1 by 2. This is the expression for the speed or the velocity of the object that is going to negotiate a curved circular road. Clear? Now next last example is the cyclist. Whenever the cyclist is going to negotiate a curved road, he is going to bend his cycle. Why a cyclist bend his cycle while negotiating a curved circular road? This we are going to consider or we are going to explain. Next is the third one is the bending of cyclist. Bending of cyclist. Cyclist is going to bend a cycle. In that case, let us suppose this is the cyclist. This cyclist. Okay. Now let us suppose it is going to bend its cycle by at an angle theta with respect to the vertical. Now if I am going to expand it, I am going to draw a diagram. In this case, this is the normal reaction arm. If you are at particular angle, then the normal reaction is also acting at an angle theta. Now this normal reaction is acting at an angle theta with respect to the vertical. Now resolving r into component, here will be the r cos theta, and in this direction here will be r sin theta. Clear? Now in this case, again there is the no motion in the vertical direction. Next is the mg. The weight of the cyclist is acting vertically downward. If there is the no motion in the vertical direction, means r cos theta is equal to mg. Equation number 1, equilibrium condition is there in the vertical direction, and r sin theta, which is acting toward the center of the road. Whenever the cyclist is going to bend, it is going to bend toward the center of the circular path. Now r sin theta is acting toward the center of the circular road, means r sin theta is acting as the centripetal force here. So r sin theta is equal to mv square by r, equation number 2. Again divide second equation by 1. 2 divided by 1, you will get mv square by r upon mg r sin theta upon r cos theta. So from here m goes with m, v square upon rg, r goes with r, here is the tan theta, or v is equal to under root rg tan theta. This is the safe speed with which a cyclist can negotiate a curved road. From here you can also calculate the value of the theta. Theta is equal to v square upon rg tan inverse. This is the angle with which you have to, or the cyclist have to bend his cycle by negotiating a curved circular road. Clear? It means we should be safe. You should be move at the slow speed whenever you are going to negotiate a curved road. With this, our theoretical portion for our unit, that is the third unit, laws of motion, is complete. Now we are going to consider some numerical problems related to these topics that we have done here. Now question is, a stone weighing 50 gram, a stone weighing 50 gram, next we are going to discuss some numericals. First numerical that I am going to consider is, a stone weighing 50 gram tied to one end of the string is to be rotated in horizontal circle of 1 meter with a speed 5 meter per second. Calculate the centripetal force required to do so. क्या गिवन है आपको? Here is the stone weight, means M is equal to 50 gram. Mass of the stone is the 50 gram, and the stone is tied to a string and it is rotated in the circle, and the horizontal circle of 1 meter, means radius is equal to 1 meter. The radius of the circle is given, that is 1 meter. Next one is the speed of the revolving or the rotation is the 5 meter per second, and you have to calculate the centripetal force. Now to calculate the centripetal force, all of you know the formula. Fc is equal to mv square by r. To the value, this is the 50 gram. I am going to convert it into the kg. 50 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg. So from here 50 into 10 minus 3 into velocity, that is the 5 square upon r, that is 1 meter. We are going to make the calculations. The answer will be 1.25 Newton. In this way, you can calculate the centripetal force. Clear? Now next numerical that we are going to discuss is, a car is moving. Second numerical, a car is moving with a 72 km per hour on a flat circular road of radius 10 meter. Can the car negotiate the curve with this speed taking mu is equal to 0.3? Now you have given the speed of the car is the 72 km per hour. This is the speed of the car. And next one is the on the flat circular road of the radius, that is the 10 meter. The radius of the road is given 10 meter. And आपको क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है कि जो कार जा रही है वो इस स्पीड के साथ सेफली नेगोटिएट कर जाएगी कर्व को या नहीं करेगी, ठीक है. तो इन दैट केस म्यू इज गिवन, म्यू इज इक्वल टू 0.3. Now we have calculated the formula for the safe speed of the car that is moving on the level circular road. That is given by V is equal to under root mu g r. R is given, mu is given, G हमको पता है. Then V will be equal to 0.3 into 9.8 into R, that is the 10. From here V will be equal to, if we are going to calculate, its answer is going to be 5.4 meter per second. This is the speed that we have calculated, and this is the speed that is given. Now this is in kilometer per hour and we have calculated in meter per second. Now I am going to convert it into meter per second. 72 into 5 by 18, and its answer will be 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second. So the given speed is very much greater than the speed calculated by us. So a car cannot negotiate a curve with a speed of 72 km per hour. Okay, so the car is going to skid off. If it is going to try to negotiate a curve with this much speed, the curve will skid off. It is not going to negotiate a curve safely. Now next question is, we want that the vehicle moving with 36 km per hour. Next numerical I am going to consider. The speed is given by 36 km per hour. May negotiate the circular banked road. Now the road is the banked road, circular road, with the road radius 5 meter. R is given, that is 5 meter. What should be the minimum banking angle of the road? Now we have to calculate the banking angle of the road, and are given, next one given है G is 10 meter per second. हमको जो क्या निकालना है वहाँ पे थीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. टू फाइंड द थीटा आई एम गोइंग टू रिलेशन tan theta is equal to v square upon rg. From here tan theta 36 into 5 by 18, I am going to convert it into the meters whole square divided by r. R is the 5 and g is the 10. From here you will get 5 into 10 means 100 by 5 into 10. 10 from here it will be equal to 2. Tan theta is equal to 2 or theta is equal to tan inverse 2. This is the required So with this we have completed our unit, that is the third unit, motion, laws of motion. We will meet with in the next video with a new unit, that is the unit number 4, work, power and energy. Thank you.